Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer. If you are brand new here, welcome to Chris Palmer SEO. In today's video, we will discuss how you can increase the power and the quality of backlinks that you already have or that you are going to establish. So I will walk through exactly the process on my whiteboard here. I'll give you the strategy so you can take it and you too can actually start increasing the power of backlinks from one site to another. Now, this actually arises because I have continuously gotten questions about, Chris, I am able to acquire a backlink, but I'm on a budget. How can I increase the rank of my website, but I want to do it on a budget? So this is one way that you can increase the power of backlinks and you can stay on budget, and this will really help you out, and I cannot wait to go ahead and show you. So I'm going to jump in here to the whiteboard. And let me give you a visual demonstration of the method, the strategy, the tip, however you want to think of it. So you have your website and you are building your links, okay? So when you are acquiring your links from one site to another, so this is a write-up and a page, and here they have decided to give you a link to your website. Okay. Now this over here is going to be your website. So this is your home page, right? So this is home. Okay. And then you will have, page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay. And we'll say on and so forth and so on. Okay. So how can I increase the power of a backlink from said page? So this is just another page, okay? So this is another page, so another page. Now, they have given us a backlink to our homepage. Now, better yet, it's probably not to our homepage because, as we know, we don't really necessarily want it to our homepage, but we may want it to our ranking page. Okay, so that is to our ranking page. Now, generally, and how I generally suggest and consult is when you're building your silos or building your website structure, you have your main ranking page, and then you have supporting articles to support your main ranking page. So how do you maximize the backlink strength? Well, what we have found from testing and from in the wild, of course, and I'm sure maybe some of you have noticed this as well, is if you're getting a link, okay, let's say this is A and this is page B, okay? If you are getting a link from page B, okay, to page A, this is your main article, okay? Now, if you have on this same page, they have one mention here, right? And this is the backlink, contextual backlink. And then on the same exact article, you have another contextual backlink. However, this is going to one of your supporting pages. Now, what we have actually found is when you have a page, we'll say page B, okay, for sake of argument, let's say page B. If we have page B give us and send us one link to our main ranking page, and then on that same exact page have them send another contextual link to another one of our relevant, okay, pages within the silo, we have noticed a bump on not only our main ranking page, but also this page, and it then funnels and goes all the way up, which in other words is the point of a silo structure. So to break this down, to run through it really quick, just so I can go back through it without explaining it, the long story short is this. You have your main page. On your main page, here, let's start that back over. You have your main website. Your main website, let's say that it has 1, 2, 3, let's just say this is a silo structure. This is your main ranking page, and these are supporting articles. Supporting articles, okay? Now, we have this website over here, and this website has an article, and inside of this article, they have a contextual link where it goes to your main ranking page that you want to rank, but also inside of that article, they have decided to link out not once, but twice to our website, but going to different pages. Now, when you have your silo structure set up properly, in whether it's a floating silo or a virtual silo, or it's a mother-child silo, what's really great about this is your main ranking page is getting power, but you send it to this, maybe the bottom tier of your silo, and what it'll actually do is pass power up through. So this is also getting the benefit, or any of the pages that are in between. So that's really going to wrap up this video, how to increase the power and the quality of backlinks without having to create and buy more backlinks. I hope that video has given you value, and if it has, please leave a comment below. Ask me if you have any questions. If you have any ideas for videos, please let me know. I'm always happy to help you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO digital marketing video. Have a wonderful day.